However, when the sun's rays are passing through the window, what do you see like floating in the air?
Little dust particles.
Those dust particles. Now, does it kind of look a little bit like this? What you see floating, like little particles there?
Actually, that's exactly what it looks like. Yeah.
Okay. Well, what you see, Hyder, listen to this, is only about 10% of the actual dust. 90% you can't even see it because it's so small. All right. And really, clean air is just as important as clean food or water, obviously.
Right.
Okay, good. Now, I'm sure you felt like this fella before, a little bit under the weather.
Every morning sometimes.
Okay, well, they say that if you sneeze, gotten congested, coughed, itchy eyes, or chronic sinuses, they actually say a lot of these particles have a lot to do with it. Okay. And what happens is it goes into your nose, your eyes, your ears, your throat, and causes some of those symptoms. Now, I don't know if you knew this, Hyder, that the air in a house is actually more hazardous inside than it is on the outside. I don't know if you're aware.
Yeah. I didn't know that.
Well, the reason is what's in particles is not just dirt. It's in combination. Underneath the lamp is a combination of anything and everything that you can actually imagine, from pet dander, there's pet fur, paint, plastic, fiberglass. Now, they also got what's called dust mites. But let me ask you a question, Hyder. Under the lamp, can you tell which is which?
No, I can't.
In other words, but unfortunately, every time you walk, that's exactly what we're doing. We're ingesting all this into your lungs. All right. Now, listen to this. There's more people allergic to house dust mites than to anything else. These are the highest transmitters of human disease, and they're found in almost every kind of synthetic fiber. For example, the couches, the upholsteries, and the beds. So basically, what's happening is the more dust you have, the more mites you're going to have inside the home.
Wow.
Okay. Now, have you ever noticed how clean the air smells after a rainstorm?
Oh yeah. Nice.
It feels fresh because outside Mother Nature washes the air with water. Now, instead of running the air through the water inside, the rainbow takes the air and runs it through the water. All right. Are you ready to see the amazing rainbow?
Oh yeah, I'm ready.
All right, good. Let me go ahead and bring it out.